She said a warm round of applause. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Musa Waqas, and how many of you guys have seen my work? Raise your arms. For those who have not, trust me, you're not missing anything in life. Acha yuwa nahi dekha. Ever since I was a kid, I've been trying to fix my life. Recently, turns out, it's not a bug. It's a feature. Bade hote, I've practiced one art. The art of looking busy. If you do not tell anyone, I'm not busy. People think I am. I'm the busiest person on the planet Earth. But I'm not. The art of looking busy. Sometimes when I'm walking, मैं कभी कभार तेज walk करना शुरू हो जाता हूँ. Just to look like life is going somewhere. Sometimes I open my fridge every 20 minutes. And I assume कि कुछ ना कुछ नए, something new is going to spawn inside. Nothing changes. It's the same ketchup, same water, and the same disappointment. Actually, add 10 to the disappointment. It's even more. लेकिन बड़े होते होते I've realized one thing. कि you growing up is just you choosing which pain you want. Sleep early, pain. Wake up early, pain. Do nothing, pain. Or कुछ भी ना करे, सिर्फ और सिर्फ delusion में रहे, वो भी pain. So you know what I chose? I chose confusion. If you think my jokes are bad, you should see some of my life choices. Nobody's laughing. Anyway, so I chose confusion. Just like every other kid from the Gen Z. I have a question for you guys. How many of you guys truly feel, like you know who are you? Raise your arms. Let's do an activity. I need you guys to close your eyes for 15 seconds. Will you? Okay. Close your eyes for 15 seconds and do what I'm saying. I want you to make an illustration in your mind. The question is, who are you? Not your Instagram bio, not your university major, not the career your parents chose 15 years ago over a dinner table. Alright, now you can open your eyes. I'm 100% sure, I hope you guys got the right answer, but I'm 100% sure you guys didn't. The answer that you got defining who are you was the answer that society gave you. It came from the inward, not the outward. The paradox that haunts me the most is, Gen Z is the most connected generation ever to be recorded in the history of mankind. You know that? Nobody is active. Yet, studies constantly tell us that Gen Z is the most lonely, most anxious, and the most out of track generation ever recorded in the history of mankind. But we have 5 billion people one tap away. We have the archive of human knowledge in our pockets. हमारे पास AI है, हमारे पास Google है, हमारे पास हर चीज है. Yet, we are lonely. Now the question arises, why? The answer is, you are making your identity from the outward and not from the inward. Before we dig deep into this, I would like to tell you where I come from. Because where I come from is the reason why I'm standing over here. When I was 1, my family packed and we moved to Saudi Arabia. I grew up in a place which was not mine, surrounded by every nationality on planet Earth. You have Nigerians, you have Pakistanis, you have Filipinos, you have Indians. It's like a whole United Nations of kids with one thing in common. All of us are from different places. And all of us carry 2-3 different types of personalities that we showcase in front of the world. Number one is for the parents. Number two is for the friends in the school. And number third is the one that we show in front of the world. Right? But when I came to Pakistan, I realized that I'm also the part of the cavalry जो कि वही काम कर रहे हैं कि inward से कभी identity सोची नहीं. हमेशा से जो outward जो लोगों ने identity बना दी उसी में सारी जिंदगी एक बक्से में बंद रहे और कभी सोचा ही नहीं कि हम हैं कौन. We do not know our khudi. When I was in Pakistan, I was in the library of my grandmother, Shahnaz Akhtar Nigar, and almost by accident, I picked up a collection of Iqbal. And I read one line, and something inside me cracked open. खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे, बता तेरी रजा क्या है. In that library, I realized that the questions that I'm going to ask in front of y'all was asked by all the authors. Who are you? What do you owe to others? How do you hold grief inside you of love, of longing, of pain, of anxiety without breaking up? Rumi asked these questions in the 14th century. Iqbal did in the 20th century. Faiz asked them from the prison. Sahir asked them from pure heartbreak. And you know, all of them, separated by centuries, separated by circumstances, separated by continents, arrived at one radical liberating truth. The answer is always inward before it is outward. And this is one of the few things, actually one of the many things that Gen Z is lacking. Another thing Gen Z is lacking is they do not clap. Thank you so much.